hip curve. When you're pressing your lining, you have to be aware there's 2 layers to it, and you don't want to, press a crease out of one layer and press it into the other layer. So I just use my hand and feel along with it. So as much cloth as you have is about as much lining as you have. And then here about a 1/2 inch of the armhole. Coming into it, and I'm just leaving it ever so slightly long here at the side. So what I'll do is I'll lay my stick on it that way. Press it down firm, hold it firm with this, on the stick, and chalk where the edge of the stick is. So the next step is to cut the pocket bags. To do that, we're going to take the pocketing here. That's wide enough here, 7 inches. Jumping forward there about 2 inches and leaving a little bit of length in the stitch. Students who do this typically put in too many stitches, but it's better to have too many than too few. And you come along and you cut between stitches like so. See how we're transferring the pattern from one side over to both sides of the cloth. That's the purpose of the mark stitching.